So hey K-Birds, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Keymee K, but you can go ahead and call me Key. So I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on this wig right here. So if you would like to see how I achieved this hair, then make sure you stay tuned and continue watching. And also this makeup look I did record in another tutorial, so that will be up next. So make sure you have that bell turned on, that way you are notified whenever I do upload. So let's go ahead and jump into this hair tutorial. So let's jump right into it. So I'm going to be doing a review on this wig right here, which is the Bobbi Boss Glueless lace front wig. It is the HD transparent lace wig. It is in MLF459, and I guess that's Lourdes or Lourdes. It does say that it has a flex cap, customizable baby hairs, and a elastic band, and this is going to be a 13x7 lace wig. So this is how it comes in the packaging. Super cute, makes you feel like you have a glamorous wig that you ordered like expensive. So I like that. And so that is going to be the stock card up close. That is the wig I did buy. I got a 1B if I'm not mistaken. Oh no, I got a number 1. So I got a number 1 in this wig, and it does say that it is going to be pre-plugged, glueless to wear, and it is free parting. It does say that it is heat safe. And where does it say the max? I guess we're just going to assume 400 degrees. So this is the wig straight out of the package. Curls is very pretty. It does feel like a little bit rough, so it's not like super silky, but I do love the curl pattern. On the front you do get baby hairs that are already out for you. They're super long. The lace, it does look like it is a light brown lace, which I do like about that, because the other laces, they were a bit on the white side. This does look like it is a light brown lace. And then you also get an elastic band. So you do get 2 combs. The 2 combs are going to be actually below your parting space. And then you will get the adjustable straps in the back with the comb as well. So this is what the wig looks like. As you can see my hair coming through on the sides. So this is not going to be a wig that you can go ahead and like glue down like a ball cap method on the sides. So with that being said, I'm not going to be able to do that on the sides. I'm just going to be able to wear this hair, I guess, glued basically in the front. I basically didn't put on makeup, so I thought I was going to be able to do like a ball cap method and go ahead and slay this, but I guess not, because I have so much out right here on the sides. So I'm just going to go in first and just pluck some of these out, because I'm not going to use all of them. But look at that hairline. The hairline looks freaking bomb. So all I did was cut off the lace, then applied my foundation. I used the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir. This is the tawny. I put that on bottom. Did I put it on top? Dang, did I put it on top? No, I didn't put it on top. I put it on bottom, and then on top I used the Fit Me powder. Not this one. I used this one, the Fit Me powder 362, and this one is Truffle. So I put the powder on top, the foundation on bottom. I put powder on bottom as well. So now I'm just going to go ahead and use my freeze spray. I can only, because of how this wig is made, it goes backwards instead of forward. So this right here, I can't really wear it like that. So on my sides, you're not going to be able to like pull it down and like wear it like a frontal unit. So I'm just going to be putting the freeze spray right here, because I'm just going to be working with this part. So now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and figure out, I think I want my part like right here. I'm gonna start off by doing my baby hairs. I like to do my part because it makes it easier on how I want my baby hairs to go. Basically I'm just gonna be cutting those up using a eyebrow razor, and then I'm gonna be using my style booster to go ahead and flick those down. So that is what I'm about to do. So it's gonna take a little bit of a time because they did put these long AF baby hairs up on here. So yeah, and of course don't worry about that. We're gonna add some powder to clean that up because like I said, I just put foundation on the bottom and I did miss a spot right there. It's cool, it's cool. So all I did was add some foam and wrap mousse, and just like I said, I just used my Style Factor. Now I'm about to use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the color Cafe, and I'm just gonna put that in the part just to go ahead and get it a little bit more nicer. And then I'm gonna go back in on my Fit Me powder and truffle, and let's put that on the top. I think it's right here, just to go ahead and take away some of that concealer. So to get into this hair, first off, I guess I'm going to tell you about the cons. This hair, it does shed a lot to be a #1. Usually, like your colors, those will shed a lot, but this one has been shedding. I didn't run my fingers through it too much because it is a curly unit, and I do not want it to frizz out, but it does shed a lot. My next con is kind of a big con for me. It might not be for you. This is a 13x7 lace wig, a very affordable lace wig at that. And my con is I can't use the 13x7 like I want to. Like I want to go ahead and lay this unit down and like slay it and be able to pull this hair up, but I cannot because of how the unit is. It kind of goes back. So over here towards the sides, that is what it looks like. And I wish I'd be able to use the 13x7 like you would like a human hair wig, and I feel like I would get my money's worth like that, because I could have ordered a 13x4 wig or something else, or really a lace front unit, if I could not put it up, you know, into a ponytail or whatever. So that right there is kind of my biggest con, because I wish I could go ahead and pull the hair up, you know what I'm saying, like slay it, but I can't do that with this unit. I think that is pretty much the cons. This hair does come pre-plucked. The hairline is pre-plucked. It does come with baby hairs. Baby hairs are long, but it kind of worked out. I like how the front did come out. I did not pluck behind the hairline. I did pluck only the baby hairs. And then the hair is kind of on a yucky side. It's not silky, but it's kind of yucky, like a little bit rough. So I guess that kind of works out, because the curls, I really like the curls actually on this unit. I just would not run my hands through it because I do not want to get frizzy. The parts that did get frizzy, I did use my foam and wrapping mousse to go ahead and tame those down, so it does get like frizzy here and there, like right now from me touching it. And basically you just put some foam wrap to kind of go ahead and just slick it down just a little bit. This unit, it does slightly have a shine to it, especially like when the lights hit it. So I would say you would have to apply some dry shampoo to go ahead and tame that down. But pretty much that is it for this unit. Like I said, I like the unit. It's just I cannot wear it as a frontal unit. So for the price point of this unit, me personally, I would not purchase this unit again for the price point. But the wig is actually, you know, it's nice, it looks pretty, it looks like a frontal unit. I just can't wear it how I want to wear it. So I will leave the links. Oh my god. So I will leave the links down below on where you can purchase this unit at. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.